everybody, my name is Cookie, and I'm about to tell you about my dog thoughts, okay? Now then, I was just outside, so that's why I'm breathing very, very hard. Cookie, come here. Cookie, no, I don't want to go over there where you are. But I will when I want to. Cookie, come here right now. Cookie, come here. Okay, fine. But as you can see, I am very tired. So that's why I'm very tired right now. I was just outside, so I already told you about that. Okay. Cookie. Rồi. Cookie, come here. Oh, okay. Hi everybody. This is Christine. And now I know there's background noises. And okay, back to the show. Cookie. Hello everybody. I was just wandering around. I'm very bored right now. Being outside was very fun. Now I have to be inside. But why should I be inside? As I wander and crawl around this bicycle and table. Well, it's needless to say, I love to do my job. Okay, everybody. I shall come over here now. Or not, because I'm just going to be sitting right there, doing absolutely nothing. Until I run for my life. My tragic story. Okay, goodbye everybody.